Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Silverado half-ton LTZ Midnight Edition equipped with the Z71 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle we have LED daytime running lights as well as 3M protective film. Under the hood sits a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch alloy wheels and heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as our easy lift and lower tailgate. This Silverado has a towing capacity of up to 9,100 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our Bose audio sound system, and our automatic four-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls. This Silverado is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons, as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. A quick recomfort or dual-zone climate controls, as well as a wireless charging pad. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have our remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.